Hello everyone. Today I will share with you about register in VIM. So when you copy or when you delete in VIM, it will save into the register. So the like a register is like a small memory in VIM. We have two kind of register. That's a named register, which name is from A to Z, and the unnamed register, which is a default register. When you copy or you delete, it will go to default register. And when you copy and delete with the specific register, it will go to that register with the same name. Okay, so with register, you will not lose your copy or your delete again. So let's find out what is our problem. So now I want to copy a disk. I will press Y and W. So the disk is here. Okay, but the thing is now copy this and I copy the whole sentence. I will press YY. And now, how can I pass the disk? How can I reuse my old copy? Because now the YY is the newest copy. So when I press P, yeah, it will pass the latest copy in Vim, and it passes, but it don't pass the disk, the word disk, which we want. So if you want to pass it, you want to pass the old copy, you need to go to the register. And how we can do that? You need to go to command mode. You press escape. Okay, so you will type rec. Okay, and you will see that the disk is at the double code one. So if you want to use this, you need to type. Okay, let's jump into a new line. You need to type double quote one and you press B. Please pay attention on the bottom right. You will see my what I am typing. For a command, I type double quote one and B. It will pass the text. It will pass everything in the double quote one to my current buffer. Okay. So let's take a look at React again. So we have is my sentence. So if I want to pass this on my on this file, I will double quote file and p. This is my sentence. Okay, so pretty easy, right? And we have a named register. It means that when you want to copy or when you want to pass into specific register. So now I want to copy a disk into the register name A, and I want to copy an E into the register name B, and my in the register name C, and the sentence in the register name D. Okay, so if you want to copy, you need to type double quote and next is the name of the register. So if I want to save into the A register, I need to press A, double quote A, and now you will type like normal, you press like normal when you copy. So if I want to copy this word, I will press Y, W. Okay, and now I want to copy this one into the B register. I will start with double quote B Y W. And the same for mine. I want to copy into the register C. So I double quote C Y W. And the sentence to register D, double quote D Y W. Okay. So now let's check out our register. Okay. You So take a look at the double quote A, double quote B, double quote C, and double quote D. That's it, the text that we copy, right? So now how we can use this is we just need to use this like the unnamed register that you need to specify the name of the register and you press B to pass it. Okay, so let's try. I go to a new line, so I will double quote A B, double quote B B, double quote C B. And double quote, oh, sorry, double quote DB. Okay, so here we go. We have passed the text in register A, B, C, and D. So that's all about register in Vim for today. So let's recap it very quick. We have register in Vim is like small memory. We have name it register, and we also have a name it register. So the unnamed register is the default register. So when you copy anything in Vim or you delete it, it will go to this unnamed register, and you can use this by start with double quote and start with a number. If you don't remember, you can use the command right here. Okay, show it again. It will show you to 0 to 9 and you can use this. And with a name it register, you need to specify the name of the register by start with double quote and name of register. So and double quote and the name of register and the key to copy a text or sentence or delete it, and it will go to that register. Okay, and if you check, you will see here in the register A we have the this, in the B we have is, in C we have my, and in the D we have sentence. So to use this, you need to specify the name of the register by double quote and the name of the register, and you use B to pass it. So so that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you think this video is good, or if you're interested in that, please like and share. If you have any questions, please comment below in this video. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to notify it when I publish a new videos. Thank you.